Good morning, guys. This is JE with JT Customs. I have the wiring harness arrived from CP Wiring. Pretty, really, actually self-explanatory. This group up here, all these have to go under. Yeah, driver side O2 sensor. Then you got transmission, fuel tank, neutral safety switch for the transmission. Yeah, that group's got to get tucked in and go down. All these through here. This is your injectors. Comes up. AC. This one's going to get tucked down behind for the starter. Here's all the ones for the computer. Very nice setup. And then this section over here, this is the electric fans and your plug-in right here to go into your fuse box. And then this side, the same thing. Very nice job. Alternator. Then you got your throttle body. Yeah, alternator. Then your coolant temp, which is down here, and I actually accidentally broke that one. But very nice. It's going to look very nice done. It's a very clean job. I would highly recommend CP Wiring. It just takes the hassle out of it. They'll ask you what you got and just give them all the info. But yeah, it turned out really nice.